Huntsville, partly sunny, 69. Paducah, cloudy, 70. Tupelo, partly sunny, 76. Again. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County in Middle Tennessee, Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Dickson County in Middle Tennessee, northern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Waverly to near McEwen to 7 miles southwest of Hurricane Mills, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dickson, Waverly, White Bluff, McEwen, Burns, Hurricane Mills, Charlotte, Lobelville, Van Leer, Slayton, Pinewood, Bon Aqua, Nunnally, Lyles, Parks North and Interstate 40 near the Tennessee River. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of Middle Tennessee. For this afternoon and tonight.